These are brutal flaws on the Insta360 ONE R when I got a hold of it from my uncle. Now let's get started. First things first is overheating. I've heard from my uncle who had the Insta360 ONE R before, because I had physically holded it once, but he had it for more than 1 month. He told me from his natural perspective that the Insta360 ONE R overheats within 10 minutes of recording. 10 minutes of recording. And if that's in 5K at 25 frames per second, that would not be so great, because the GoPro can actually record over 10 minutes and go into 20 or 30. And at least it's the minimum of 1 hour. Now, if it is out in the sun, I don't know if you placed it out in the sun or in a cold weather type of thing, but that's what my uncle said, is that the Insta360 ONE R, just be aware that it will overheat after 10 minutes of recording if you're recording over 2.7K and above. Now, this could happen in 1080, I don't know, but tell us your experiences down below within the Insta360 ONE R community. Is that he doesn't like that it lasts up only to 1 hour. Now, on a positive note, that's usually the GoPro standard. Now, the GoPro standard is 1 hour, but it's not exactly 1 hour. It's more like 58 minutes. So the Insta360 ONE R could also last 58 minutes, but it's probably 59 minutes, so there's like a 1 minute plus. So that could be better within its software limitation and stuff like that. But it lasts up only to 1 hour, and the new GoPro and GoPro Max lasts up now over on to 2 hours. Even though its size is a little bit bulkier, but that little bulkiness on the GoPro adds up towards more free time or more time to film. And number 3 is that you need an external microphone when you use the Insta360 ONE R. Now you might be like, why does it need an Insta360 ONE R, like external microphone, adapter, or something like that? It's because it's just like your phone. Like you have is your phone out right here, and then you have is your external microphone. On this one you need a dongle, and on the Insta360 ONE R you would need a dongle. While for the GoPro, there's like tons of built-in microphones in there that knows your direction, as long as you tell it that you're in the correct direction. But with the Insta360 ONE R, it doesn't have a speaker. Even though it's so compact, you can't even put on an external microphone, in my opinion. But I think you can still do it. Now, with the external microphone, there is a Boya microphone, there's a Rode Video Micro, and all of that stuff. But you could use that, but I don't know if it can actually transmit out power towards the microphone. With the Boya or the Rode Video Micro, you would probably need something with power, but probably not. I don't think so. But yeah, those are the 3 flaws of the Insta360 ONE R that I got from my uncle. Now, I don't have the Insta360 ONE R today, but I did hold it before with my uncle when I last time met him. And these are just a quick overview. Is that the Insta360 ONE R overheats within 10 minutes of recording with the resolution of 2.7K and above. And most frequently is 5K at 25 frames per second. 2, battery is that it only lasts up to 1 hour on the Insta360 ONE R. 3, you would need an external microphone, because if you don't, then the wind will get into the voiceover of your video, because there's not that many microphones on the Insta360 ONE R, which is what I think. Is there anything more that we need to know? Just tell us down in the comments down below. I'm Reagan from ReaganVFilms Tech, and have a great summer. Actually, it is summer, so have a great time with it. Shaka and mahalo. I'll see you on the next adventure.